I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Guys, welcome back to my channel. My lips are really crusty, so you know what we're gonna do? Put some Aquaphor on it because Aquaphor literally helps anything. But anyway, today I'm going to be doing my winter night routine. Round of applause, please. Haven't made a night routine video yet, so that's what we're gonna do. And I wanted to do Vlogmas this year, but like I'm too inconsistent for that, so I have to like build it up, you know. So maybe next year I'll actually do Vlogmas. Anyway, I'm gonna start with the first thing I'm gonna do. Actually, I'm gonna tell you what time it is. Right now it is 7:58, almost 8 o'clock, and I do not go to bed until probably like 1, 2-ish, but I'm gonna get ready to go to bed, like so I can just lay in my bed and watch TikTok. That's usually what I do anyway. So let's make a list of that. So we need to take a shower, do my hair, do all my like self-care. I need to clean my room, fold my laundry. I could do a speed run of that. Make my bed. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I got planned for tonight. First, we're gonna take my makeup off because I don't want to take it off in the shower because it just like doesn't all the way come off. So I'm gonna take the Garnier Micellar Water, the pink one. This is the only one hydrating one. And then I'm just gonna take my little cotton pads. I got this little container at TJ Maxx for $6. So yeah, and it says cleanse, tone, moisturize. So I'm just gonna take my makeup off and then take a shower, because usually I'll take it off in the shower, but I've noticed that like it doesn't come off all the way and it'll just come off on my towel when I get out. And so I'm basically just rubbing makeup on my body whenever I'm drying off. So I'm not trying to have that, so we're just gonna take it off now. And I did like a little challenge, not a challenge, a get ready with me on TikTok, so you should follow me on there. My TikTok is Alyssa Tilly is my main one, and the one I've been doing my get ready with me's on is a new account I just made. It's called Alyssa I don't even remember what it's called. It's called Alyssa.Mosley with like 2 Y's, I think. So I'll just link it down below so you can follow my TikTok if you want to. I love my soap water versus makeup wipes. It's so easy and it lasts a lot longer. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna do for that. And now I'm gonna go take a shower. I'm in the shower and I'm gonna show you guys what I use. I don't know if you can hear me well because of the water, but I don't feel like turning it off because it's like freezing. Body wash I use is the Rose and Water OG Egg Scrub. It's the coconut oil hair mask by Oleology. I got it at TJ Maxx. Aussie Miracle Curls conditioner. Half's coconut oil shampoo. I either use that one or I use this one. This one is Biotin Honey Curl Shampoo by Curl Tanicles. And then I do wash my face and brush my teeth in the shower, so I'm gonna use the Hydra Boost Neutrogena. I just got out the shower. Now I'm gonna do my hair. I brushed it in the shower, so it's like pretty smooth, but I would brush it again because it doesn't like to stain. I'm just gonna put the product in tonight, so that way like by tomorrow I can just, it should be dry and I can just wear it. So I'm gonna use the Hawaiian Silky Miracle Worker As I Am leave-in conditioner and Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls. Jelly Soft Curls. I usually get the Pillow Soft Curls, but I grabbed the wrong bottle because they look exactly the same.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase.
That's my hair routine that you didn't ask for. After that, it's time to move on to my skincare. This was my favorite part. So I think today, like I usually don't, but I just got this yesterday, so I want to try it out. It's a face mask, Morphe 2 Restart Detox face mask. That's a really long sentence. I don't have a brush to use for this, so we're just gonna go for it with my hands. It smells pretty good. I wash my face in the shower, so I don't have to worry about like washing my face.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
Okay, now I have the face mask on. We have to wait 10 minutes, so let me go ahead and put Alexa on. Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes, starting now. By the way, during this busy time of year I can remind you to do something later so you don't forget. Just say, remind me.
Okay, so now while we wait for that to dry, I think we're gonna start on the cleaning part because I have to do all of this that I really don't want to do.
Every day I wake up!
But it needs to get done. So this is currently what we're dealing with. Now I'm just gonna speed lapse this and show you what it looks like. Currently what we're looking like. Now I'm just gonna clean up like the mess like over here. So it's time to take this mask off. I can't even like move my face, like oh, that hurt. This shit hurts. Oh, that freaking hurts. Should we just peel off easy and like one clump? But now it wants to be annoying. And this one's still wet, so we might want to let that dry. It's like on my nose ring too. Okay. It's time to do like the products that I use to like on a routine like daily basis. The Clean and Clear Essentials Deep Cleaning Astringent. It's like a toner, I guess, and I put it on like a cotton pad and rub it all over my face. It really burns. Like if you have like picked like at your face, it will burn. But I feel like when it burns, like it does something, so I just like go with the flow. My face is burning. Okay. The Ordinary, what's it called? Niacinamide. I don't really know how to say it. But we're just gonna put that on my face. My lips get so chapped, like it's not even funny. I need to put some chapstick on. Before I do anything else, I'm gonna take some Aquaphor and put it all over my lips. This stuff comes in clutch for like literally anything. Like I'll put that on like a pimple and then the next day it'll be like gone. Like don't play with that Aquaphor, babe. Don't play with the Aquaphor. I'll take the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer and put this all over my face. Now this stuff doesn't burn because it's just a moisturizer. Like if moisturizer is burning, then babe, that's not a good sign. Now I'm gonna take this Ren Beauty overnight what is it, like eye mask, and put it on for like dark circles. But you just put those under your eye, just two of those, and then rub it in. And it has like a cooling feeling, so it like gives you like a breeze. So I really love this. And I put some on the top of my eye because the top of my eye is like really dark. And then I'm gonna take my brush and put it on my eyelashes and brush my eyebrows. Brush my eyebrows. And take the right eyelash and put it like one line eyeliner. I'm gonna spray my face with this setting spray, but it's a hydrating setting spray with hyaluronic acid in it. I don't even know if that's how I say it. My face. That's basically it for like my skincare and all of that. That's all I do. Days like I just don't feel like doing it, so I just won't, and I'll just do it in the morning. Working with the clothes, these are all clean. All of this is clean. Stuff in the basket is all clean. All of this needs to go in my drawer, hung up over there. I need to clean like up there because I have like juice boxes and stuff. Don't mind me. I'm cleaning, okay? Oh, I'm gonna make my bed look all cute. That's my dog. She wants to leave, but she barks at everything, so she has to stay in here. And then I'm gonna get some decorations out of like my closet in the bathroom and decorate my room for Christmas. I'm the only one that doesn't care if their pants are inside out or not. I know some people are like iffy about that, but yeah, that's what I do. We're now moving on to the basket. To put on hangers, but I just have like these 3 things that I'm gonna put on a hanger, so I'm just gonna record that. But these I actually do like to turn like right side out because they're showing. Are just gifts for my friends and like family that I left here so they don't see them. And that's all clean. That I'm probably gonna decorate for like Christmas with like a tree. You'll see in a second. And then this is what my bed looks like. I just threw that on, but I have these 2 like Christmas blankets. My mom got me this one and I bought this one. And then this is what the bed looks like. And I did drop like a shit ton of thumbtacks, so let me not step on those because yeah, I'm not trying to do that today. For another like decoration, I'm gonna put this blanket like as a throw over my little white chair for my vanity and make it look all cute. There we go. Okay, and that's what she looks like. So cute. I'm gonna find some decorations to put up. I have these lights right here. They're like tangled, but I have to see if they work. So let me just like plug them up right here to see if they work. Wait a second. Oh, they do work. They're so cute. put the lights like around my mirror, like going around. I feel like that'd be cute. And yeah, so I have a plug right over there, so it should work out. This is what it's looking like. We got the cute little lights going around it. Really tell. Comment down below if you like where I put those lights. My sister interrupted me from my daily thanks, which this is a daily thanks, so it can go into my night routine. Here she is, and you know what we're gonna do.
Don't be putting my bigness all up in it.
You should tell them what we're gonna do.
She's going to put a slit in my eyebrow.
What else is gonna tell her back? You have to look up at me.
Hey, Lisa, don't play with me right now. Oh no! I don't know what you find them thing.
So this is my room. So this is the vanity area. We got the little chair, mirror, TV area. Then this is what the bed is looking like. We put the little tree over there, the gifts, and then the lights on the mirror. And I have my little sign right there. It says Merry Christmas. And then this is what the dresser is looking like. It's a mess, but like everything literally goes on there. So yeah, there's me. This is a view from the mirror. This is from Halloween, but I'm just gonna leave it up. And then over here, the bed again, and here is the mirror. So don't mind how crusty I look right now, but yeah. I think I'm gonna end the video right here, so I will see you guys in the next one. Hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.